Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the phone has enough charge and is unlocked. Open Settings now. Use the search bar if accessibility isn't visible. Once you see accessibility, tap it to enter the menu. This places you exactly where system-wide accessibility toggles live. Don't delay. Locating the accessibility entry saves time. If your model labels it differently, use the search term accessibility again. That finds the correct option across menu layers. Now you're ready to adjust the accessibility features. You'll now scroll through the accessibility list and locate services like TalkBack, magnification, and accessibility shortcuts. Tap the name of the first feature you want to turn off. On its page, find the on/off toggle, usually at the top, and switch it to off. Repeat for every enabled service. Make sure to exit each screen after changing the toggle so the setting saves. Once done, verify that no accessibility icon remains in the status bar. That confirms the feature is disabled. Finish by reviewing the accessibility list to confirm all toggles are off, and then reboot the phone to clear lingering behaviors. If a feature re-enables itself, search settings for that specific name and disable it again. Some apps ask for permission and can restore toggles. If TalkBack remains active and navigation is difficult, use a two-finger swipe to scroll and double-tap to select. That helps you reach the toggle and turn TalkBack off manually if gestures change behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.